Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a I received a couple of my subscription boxes, and I thought I would just do them both at the same time because one of them is just a small sticker subscription from sLo Planning. So let's start with that one. And then my other one is Planning City planner subscription. But first, with sLo Planning, I get the foil sticker subscription. And let's look. She sent me a new card to put my little bows on, because this one is almost full. I just need one more bow. And then you get a $10 credit. So the freebies we always get this freebie, which is foiled from sLo Planning. No spend, midweek, trash day, plan, do laundry, and me time. And then we always get a couple freebies from another shop. This one is SammyDoodleDesigns.com. So super cute. And then we have one from Plan It With Stickers. So that's cute. I like the kind of ombre. And then she always sends us a washi sample. So this looks like it's from Simply Gilded. And then we always get a weekend banner. And then here are the foil stickers. We usually always get days of the week. These are cute little like swooshes. I hope you can catch all that foil. It's very nice. Then we get some bow boxes. And then we get some corners. I use these usually in my journal. And then we usually get some scripts, and this one is budget, today, bills, Netflix, work, and organize. So that is the sticker subscription from sLo Planning. Let me move this over out of the way. And then, if you haven't seen it, I have my free Slurpee, 7-Eleven. I'm actually recording this on 7-Eleven, but they're giving away free Slurpees today. And so Greg and I had to go get one. And then Planning City July subscription. Let me take everything out of the box. And then the first thing we get are some Coffee Delight little candies. So we got those. We got a Micron 03 archival ink. It says micro pigment ink for waterproof and fade proof fine lines. And it looks like that. And I don't know if it's black. Let's see if I have a little paper. Oh, here's one. So Micron, and it is black. It writes very nicely. So we got a pen. And then here is our washi. And you always get a nice big roll. And then we got a couple of journal cards. We have one, it says but first coffee, and then you have one of the dark skin and one of the lighter skin. So we got those. And this is super cute. A notepad. I love notepads. This one has the Micron pen. You have your coffee and cake. It says notes at the top, and it's lined. It says Planning City. And you get quite a few pages. If I had to guess, there's probably 50 pages. And then our subscription always comes in a nice plastic envelope. And then here are some of the girls. And then you get your picture boxes. You get a double picture box. Super cute. And then I really love that color of glitter headers. You get your days of the week, some functional boxes, and some habit trackers. And then you get your washi checklist Monday through Sunday, and some more headers, bill due, some functional boxes. This kit is called Coffee Shop, by the way. And then we get some deco, weekend banners, some more headers, and top 3. And then usually, yeah, the other side has our foiled bits and pieces. So you get washi and days of the week. And I think this is rose gold. You get your date dots. Then you get some deco, a weekend banner, and some scripts. And then we have a big sticker. And a sheet of deco. And we have the bow headers. And then we get 2 sheets of functional boxes. One of them has the glitter around it, and one of them is just the plain colored. So that is the Planning City subscription box for July, and sLo Planning's foiled sticker subscription. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, hitting that button and the little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And yeah, I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.